Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing a waist trainer. So this waist trainer was sent to me for review. I will have a link below if you are interested in this one. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this was sent to me from LissommeX. The bag sort of broke. It is my fault because I was kind of tossing it everywhere. So it is already out. I did not bother trying to put it back in. So the waist trainer comes with this little tape measure. Try that again. Okay, so it comes with this tape measure right here, so you can measure yourself, you know, the before and after. And then this was, of course, attached. This gives a little bit more information about it. Let's go ahead and read it. How to wear the waist trainer tips. You will need to use a lot of force when you pull it on for the first time. Do not give up after putting it on. Step 1, use both hands and pull hard toward the middle until they hook together. Step 2, you can hook it from top to bottom or vice versa. Step 3, now you are ready to go. Put on your dress and your body will be slimmer. Now for the cleaning and care, it says soak the waist trainer in water, add small amounts of mild laundry detergent, rub and rinse it gently. Place waist trainer in a drying bag and hang on clothes hanger. Dry in a cool area. It is not advisable to wash the waist trainer every day as it will ruin the rubber parts, decreasing the lifespan of the waist trainer. Okay, let's see what else it says. Okay, product safety. Let's see, terms. Okay, so this is the next part we're going to look at. Right here, it says, see the instant visible change and gradually reshape your waist. The material is 100% latex. The lining is 96% cotton and 4% spandex. It says it's super flexible, shape memory, still bones, and can be bent more than 180 degrees and quickly bounce back. The boning can be bent repeatedly over long use without becoming deformed. It's lightweight and safe, and it has a little bit more of the instructions there. So it does have this coil. Let me pull it out so I can show you. This right here is the boning. Okay, so you can see how flexible that is. Okay, so you get the drift. Super flexible boning. So let's go ahead and look at the waist trainer. And this is what it looks like. It has the hook and eyes here that latch together. And of course, as you wear it, you're going to shrink a little bit, so you go further in. And that is what the inside looks like right there. See, with the purple lining, you got these hooks to help hang it when you hang it. And then the outside looks like that. And I dropped something. Okay, and the boning is, of course, extremely flexible. Now I have put this on so you can see it. I have before and after pictures, which I am going to show you right now. And this, now I've used waist trainers before, so I can tell you they absolutely work. The trick with a waist trainer is that you gradually start wearing it. Like maybe the first day, only wear it like 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and then gradually work yourself into wearing it longer periods of time so that your body gets used to it. You can use it when you exercise or just underneath your clothes. For me, I would much rather, you know, wear it around the house or going on a walk or something like that, just because that's what's comfortable for me. Now with waist trainers, you don't lose weight, you lose inches. So if you're dieting, you'll probably lose weight that way. But if you're using the waist trainer trying to lose weight, you're going to be very disappointed. But if you're trying to reshape your midsection or burn a little bit extra in the midsection while you exercise, then this is a great product. Absolutely does work, but you have to be consistent. Now, after a certain period of time, I would say maybe about a month of frequently using it, probably don't need to wear it as much, but you should still use it if you want to maintain whatever inches you have lost. So I have worn it a couple times, and it is extremely comfortable, which is incredibly surprising to me, because if you wore waist trainers, you know that they're not always the most comfortable, they're not always fun to wear, but I found this very comfortable, very easy to move around in, easy for me to sit down, stand up, and bend over if I need to. Some waist trainers, it's very awkward and uncomfortable if you're doing that, and you pretty much just walk around like, you know, I don't know, like something funny, you know, like just that's pretty much what you're walking around like. But I didn't feel like it was uncomfortable at all, so I do have to tell you, very comfortable. Anyways, alright, so that is the end of the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget there is a link down below if you are interested in purchasing one of these for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like more content like this. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.